Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the logical NOT operator. The logical NOT operator is denoted by this exclamation mark, and this logical NOT operator works a little bit differently than the logical and the logical OR operator. Okay, so it do not have two sides. Basically, what it does, it makes the truthy values false and falsy values true. So what do I mean by that? So console log, okay, and do something like not true, okay. Hit save. As you can see, we are getting false. So how we are telling that? We are saying like, hey, console log not true. Once again, we can do console log not false, okay. If we do that, then we will get true, okay. Also, console log, we have the falsy value, which is not a number, right? So not NaN, okay. If I do that, as you can see, we are getting true, okay. So basically, it is converting the falsy values to the true, and it is converting the truthy values to false, okay. So let's see that in action, okay. So what I'll do, I'll just comment out these ones. For example, we are building an application where we have to have an user. So let's do let user equals to an empty string, okay. And now if the user is there or if the user is not there, okay, so if the user has not logged in yet, so user not user, if we do not have any user, then what we have to do, let's do that. So let's rename that. So logged in user, okay. So logged in user. So what I did, I just press the F2 button here to rename that, and I just renamed that, and both of the variables have renamed, okay. So the logged in user, if we do not have the logged in user, then what we have to do, we have to do something like console log, okay. So go to login page, okay. Else what we can do, we can do something like go to the dashboard page, okay. As you can see, we are having this logged in user which has the empty string value, which is falsy value, okay. So it is false. So logged in user, we can think of like, hey, logged in user is false. And what we are doing, okay, I don't want to do that. So what we are doing here, so the logged in user is false, and by using the not operator, what is happening? So we are doing something like false, okay, and this particular expression becomes true, and that is why this particular thing, this particular console log is now running, okay. I hope that makes sense, okay. So logged in user, okay. As you can see, go to login page. But if I just log in, so let's do John, okay. So John just logged in, then you can go to the dashboard page, okay. So this is how we can use this particular not operator here. Also, we can do some different things as well, okay. So for example, let color equals to something like red, okay. Once again, we are recreating the previous example where we are having this particular example like, hey, if the color is inside of the RGB, if that is, then we are console logging like, hey, you picked the RGB color. If that is not, then we are console logging like, hey, you have picked some different color, okay. So if the color is red, so if I just do something like that, if the color equals to red or the color equals to blue or the color equals to green, okay. If that is the case, then what we are doing, we are doing like, hey, you have picked the RGB color, right? But what we can do here, I can just wrap everything inside of the parenthesis and I can add the not here. So what exactly does that mean? If the user has chosen a color which is not red, blue or green, okay, then what we want to do, we can do something like you have chosen a random color, okay? Else, what we can do console log and do something like you have chosen a color from RGB, okay? Hit save. As you can see, we are getting the same result. Like, hey, you have chosen a color from RGB. If I just choose a different color, something like purple, then as you can see, you have chosen a random color. So we can mix and match different operators, different logical operators in that way. Okay. I know this is a little bit confusing and not that much very useful right now, but yeah, we are just learning about the things. So yeah, that is good. So this is the logical not operator in JavaScript.